These situations are unbelievably dangerous. Watch how these gigantic machines escape from the edge of disaster and deadly cliffs. An extremely powerful logging tractor. This machine moves along the hillside collecting massive logs, while its chain-equipped wheels provide incredible stability during transport. Wherever the machine goes, the timber is gathered and stacked neatly behind it. Incredible bulldozer maneuvers and the unbelievable working power of these dump trucks. These two machines are filling in a massive trench, while the truck's powerful engine hauls tons of soil at a time. Load after load is continuously dumped into the area that needs to be filled. A terrifying accident on a remote mountain road. The heavy hauling truck crashed straight into the roadside barrier, completely blocking the path and causing a major traffic jam. After a long wait, the stranded vehicle was finally rescued by another powerful machine of the same kind. Comment 1 if you think this situation was extremely dangerous. The sound of the engine echoes through the forest, filled with mud and fallen tree stumps. The LKT-81 is a specialized skidder weighing over 8 tons, equipped with a 4-wheel drive system and a high-powered winch. The machine gathers massive logs stretching dozens of feet from steep and slippery terrain deep inside the forest. Oh no, the enormous weight of the cargo caused the crane truck to lift off the ground and completely overturn. The JCB crawler excavator, weighing over 20 tons, is equipped with a roughly 170 HP engine and a massive hydraulic digging system. It easily lifts heavy rocks beside the fast-flowing water and precisely loads them into the dump truck. Its steel crawler tracks grip tightly onto the muddy ground near the stream, while the long excavator arm moves in a smooth and continuous rhythm. If you ever saw this ship in real life, you'd definitely be amazed by its gigantic size. This container ship is built to transport enormous amounts of cargo, so you can already imagine the incredible weight it carries. The vessel often sails across the ocean for months at a time without stopping. The mission of this excavator is finally complete. Now it's being transported to another location on a massive heavy haul trailer. Just look at it taking up nearly the entire road lane while looking incredibly unstable and dangerous. Subscribe now to witness even more gigantic machines in action. Watch how these machines tear down massive buildings. The excavators are equipped with hydraulic breakers and powerful crusher attachments working together in perfect coordination. One machine tears the structure apart, while the other crushes the concrete debris right on the spot. Overloading a vehicle can lead to extremely serious consequences. This machine couldn't even climb back onto the road, despite the slope being very small. In the end, it had to rely on two powerful tractors for assistance, one pulling from the front while the other pushed from behind to force it uphill. Another absolutely disastrous stuck situation. The earth-moving tractor became trapped deep in the mud, and of course, there was no way it could escape on its own. Luckily, another powerful machine arrived to assist with the rescue, though I have no idea how long it will take to finally pull this monster out. He's absolutely reckless and fearless. Comment 1 if you agree. The thick snow combined with landslide mud has trapped this machine in place. Even with its powerful engine and heavy crawler tracks, it still couldn't overcome the force of nature. The machine keeps violently swaying from side to side while the operator struggles in desperation. A bulldozer crew is clearing massive grass, nearly 2 meters tall, to open a new path. Weighing over 20 tons, the machine slowly pushes into the towering vegetation, using a steel blade more than 12 feet wide to flatten the dense plant growth within minutes. The bulldozer maintains tremendous pushing power to clear the tough grass and carve out a usable route. Don't forget to subscribe and witness the extraordinary power of gigantic machines in action.